Aloha. My name is Chuki Okobi, master practitioner and trainer of NLP, using my training as an emotional discipline coach for entrepreneurs and executives. Now, in a past life, I was an 8-year NFL vet and Super Bowl champion with my hometown Pittsburgh Steelers. It's really funny when I think about it because most people are surprised to discover how I first discovered NLP through football. I began teaching myself through books by Dr. Tad James, and from there I dived down even deeper into it, making self-hypnosis and NLP an integral part of my preparation and performance as a college football player. Now, after starting 4 years playing football at Purdue, getting drafted by my favorite team from childhood, amassing an 8-year NFL career, and winning the Super Bowl, I'm sure you'd agree, perhaps my experience is a living testament to how learning NLP can help anyone achieve their biggest goals in life. Now, of course, playing football for so many years can come at a price. By now, you're familiar with the physical toll football can take on the human body, and more specifically, the human brain. Perhaps you've seen the Hollywood movie Concussion, starring Will Smith as Dr. Bennett Omalu, the forensic pathologist who first discovered chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE, a brain degenerative condition suffered by pro football players and others involved in contact sports. Now, CTE can only be diagnosed via autopsy post-mortem, but symptoms of those with CTE include things like memory loss, mood swings, impulse control issues, aggression, depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts. After 5 years of college football and 8 years in the pros, that's exactly what I was experiencing back in 2016. I was hospitalized for almost 9 months that year, and they couldn't figure out what was going on with me. I was not even given a medical diagnosis. So, in an attempt to save my own life, I turned my attention back to NLP and began my training with Dr. Matt James and Empowerment Inc. That's when I was first introduced to Huna. Now, Huna is the modern label given to the energy, healing, and spiritual practices of ancient Hawaii. And working with Dr. Matt, I began incorporating Huna techniques into my NLP practice. And by 2019, 100% of the CTE symptoms I'd been experiencing were completely gone. Now, I don't know if this combination of NLP and Huna cured me of CTE. I guess we'll have to wait for my autopsy results 40 years from now. But as good as I'm feeling right now, it does make me wonder, could NLP and Huna be the ingredients to teach those suffering from things like clinical depression to participate in their own healing, eliminate suicide thoughts, repair cognitive and emotional issues? All I know is learning Huna and NLP from Dr. Matt, it gave me my life back. And perhaps these teachings can make it so that a life of contact sports or a life in the NFL, maybe it doesn't have to be a death sentence. It's definitely something to consider. Now, we'll dive deeper into it on May 20th in my virtual presentation, NLP in Ancient Hawaii, the Savior of American Football. Looking forward to seeing you all there. Aloha and hui hou.